If you're looking for the perfect little bite, whether it's a starter, snack, or even part of a tapas spread, these pepperoni, sun-dried tomato and mozzarella stuffed mushrooms tick all the boxes. Juicy mushrooms packed with big, bold Mediterranean flavours. They're quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. And the best part, you'll have these ready in no time at all. Actually, in under 10 minutes. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Stuffed mushrooms. Who doesn't love a stuffed mushroom? We absolutely love them in this house. And this recipe is an absolute delight. So let's get cooking. I've just got a bowl here, and it is as simple as adding in our ingredients. Here, I've got about 100 grams of cream cheese, and I've gone full fat. Why not? Get that in there. Mozzarella cheese, grated, a handful. Good thing about this is once you've made it, it will keep perfectly. So if you haven't got enough mushrooms, you can just store this in the fridge till you get some more. Grated parmesan, about 1/4 cup. Oregano, pinch of dried oregano. Here I've got some sun-dried tomatoes. So it's about 6 or 7 sun-dried tomatoes, and I've literally just chopped them. They're going to go in. Green olives, about 8 green olives. Chopped. I'm spilling everything everywhere today. And here is our pepperoni. So that's 5 pepperoni slices, which I've just diced, and that's going to go in as well. I'm not going to season this with salt and pepper. The pepperoni tends to be slightly peppery anyway, and salty, as does the cheese. So we don't need to add anything further. And all we're going to do is bring this all together. That's it. That's all nicely incorporated. And if you don't like anything in there, just switch it out. If you want to change the green olives to black olives, work really well. If you want to change the herb in there, do so. To be honest, there's no wrong or right. It's whatever you like. Okay, I'll move this to one side. Mushrooms. I've got some normal chestnut mushrooms. Use white cap if that's what you've got, and have them as big or small as you like. We tend to have these as little snacks. The kids go absolutely wild for them, as do I, to be fair. But we sometimes serve them as starter when we've got people coming over. So we'll stuff the portobello mushrooms, and they come out really, really well. So I've got a dish here. Get your mushroom, your stuffing, and again, put as much or as little into these as you like. And just make sure it's all pushed into that cap, and you're going to end up with something like that. I'm just going to use my finger and put a little hole in the middle on each one of them, because at the end I like to add a little bit of a pepperoni crumb, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. So I'll just carry on with these, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so that's our mushrooms done. I've filled this pot. I've got some spare there, and I can cook those up later because, as I said, this will all refrigerate nicely. Now, this is going to go into the air fryer at 180 for 4 to 5 minutes. That is it. So I'll see you in a minute when they're done. So our mushrooms are done, and they look wonderful. Cannot wait to try these. Here, I mentioned earlier my pepperoni crumb. All I do is I get 3 or 4 pepperoni slices, as much of the crumb you want really. Put those into the air fryer for 4 minutes at 180 so they go nice and crispy. Bring them out, let them cool down, and then I use a little coffee grinder. I put them in there, and it makes this lovely little crumb mixture. Again, you could put that in the food processor and it will work out absolutely fine. And so all I like to do, just for that extra little hit of pepperoni, we made that little hole in the middle, and just sort of place this mixture over the top. Just gives you that another hit of the pepperoni, and I love pepperoni. And that's it. Okay, so let's give these a go. Grab one out. Grab myself this one here. Look, let's cut into it. They're going to be hot, I know. They are so good. Tastes like a mini pizza. Obviously, a lot of the ingredients are very, very similar. You've got that lovely cream cheese, which has gone all gooey and soft. That combined with the mozzarella, that stringiness, the saltiness of the olives, The sun-dried tomatoes, the pepperoni, it just works so well. I could eat a truckload of those, no problem at all. They are so good. Make a great side dish, make an excellent starter. As I say, bulk them up, put them into big portobello mushrooms. With the mixture that you saw me make today, it'll make about 6 portobello mushrooms and about 15 small mushrooms. So there's plenty of mix there, but again, adjust the quantities to what your requirement is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I really do appreciate you watching through to the very end. If you like the content, please do consider subscribing. Please do also like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification buttons. It will let you know when I am posting up a new recipe. If you've got something you'd like me to cook, please do let me know down in the comments. Please do also let me know if you try these stuffed mushrooms. Let me know how they turned out for you. I'll put all of the details of today's pepperoni, sun-dried tomato, mozzarella stuffed mushrooms down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say until next time is it's cooking good.